Hi there, this is Bridget from the PlannerSpeechie. Welcome. Today I'm going to do a sticker haul for the Crafty Banana, Caress Press, and Sadie stickers. I am actually still waiting on something I just ordered from Jessica Hart, so I will be doing another sticker haul probably in about a week or so. But for now, I'm just going to go through all of these because they're kind of fun. So the first one I'm going to do is the Crafty Banana. The Crafty Banana had a major sale recently, and so when she does this, I like to really go after the flawed stickers, the oops stickers, and bundles. I also am adding on to things that I bought from the last sale that I realized I wanted those other pieces, or maybe the other pieces weren't available and now they are. Anyway, so the first thing I'm going to show you, these are flawed freebies, and I haven't opened this yet. So let's see. We have a little stamp. This is from the Polar Express collection that she does. It's super cute. We have a little stamp. This is from the Sanderson collection. And some really pretty little snowflakes. These are super cute. A little ocean summer freebie. This looks like it's the freebie from the Beauty and the Beast collection. This looks like a freebie from Harry Potter, just super cute. And then this is a freebie from the Sanderson Sisters collection. So these are all really cute, and I can actually use a couple of these in the next couple of weeks. The Sanderson Sisters one in particular, so that's a little spoiler for what's coming. This time she did a back to school sticker freebie with some deco. This deco is very cute. It's not entirely to my taste because it's a little bit big, but maybe I can utilize some of these. We'll see. Okay, so the first thing I did, I picked up some more candles because I just love these candles. So this is the Fireside collection. This is really done for winter. And I already had some of these, but now these are the flawed stickers, and there's a little red dot on it, I guess to indicate that it's flawed. I'm not sure what's flawed about it, but then I also picked up, this is my favorite collection she does. It's the Sweater Weather candle collection. So it has all my favorite scents, including leaves, pumpkin apple, and sweater weather. I actually have a sweater weather candle right here on my desk, so that is pretty cool. So there's that. This was like extra overstock from the Autumn Coffee Cups, and it has Brianna written on it. That's the shop owner's name, so she always has a lot of Brianna. My first name is Bridget, and I don't care enough that it looks super different. So I just picked these up, and maybe I'll change them. Maybe I'll just keep them as Brianna because it's close enough to my name that it's not going to matter. But I just loved the colors. I thought these were really pretty. Okay, so then I picked up two things from the Gilmore Girls Fall collection. So these are some checklists and some deco, and I also have some of these headers. And I'm actually going to be using this kit because I have the full boxes for this kit in my collection. So I'm going to be using this one in a couple of weeks. And then she was doing this really cool thing where she was selling the Sanderson Sisters kit for way cheap. But I went even cheaper because she was selling just the uncut scene at the bottom for a significant low price. And so I picked up a bunch of sheets separate that still cost less than all of the sale kits that she was doing. And I'm going to augment it with a couple of things that are really fun. So this was the newest collection that she introduced last year to coincide with the Hocus Pocus 2 release. I just thought this was really cute. I didn't buy this kit last year when she released it because I'd already stocked up on my Halloween stuff by then, but I think I'm going to use it this year. It looks very pretty. I like all the purple and gold elements to it. So in addition to this uncut, so this is meant to take the place of 4 full boxes along the bottom of one page. I picked up some square and round boxes that go with the theme. I like that it's tie-dyed to match Max's shirt. Very clever. And then I also picked up 2 sheets. So this is another glorious collection. So these actually, I'm not sure, these might be from the original Hocus Pocus kit that she did, and this was like a reboot of that. But so we have the full checklist. Actually, I have so many checklists now because it came with its own set, and those flags. So between this, these, the full boxes, and then I also ordered from Jessica Hart's a foiled overlay set with quotes from the movie, and I'm going to use those full boxes in place of the missing full boxes from here. So all together, I think it's gonna look really, and it comes with washi as well, the Jessica Hart sheet. So all of that is significantly less than the almost $30 price that Crafty Banana charges for 1 week's worth of stickers. So I think I came out like a bandit, and I was very calculating and careful with my purchases. There are definitely kits that she sells that I think are worth buying, just the full thing. I always buy mini sets of every kit from every shop just because they're less expensive, and I don't tend to use that many stickers, and I try and save money where I can. But so I can use this as deco, and I'm just looking forward to all that. So that's Crafty Banana. Now we're going to move on to Sadie stickers. So I get a Sadie stickers order like, feels like every week. So this is just foiled Tuesday. I did not buy any kits this time. And so we'll just go ahead and take a look at these together. So I have just a couple of things here. These are from a while back, so while they're not available in the shop right now, she does frequently do like favorites days where she'll do a ton of them again. So this is sunflowers. This is just deco in gold. I just thought these were so pretty. I have 2 sunflower themed kits that I'm going to be using in the next couple of weeks, and my husband has been growing sunflowers right outside our house, so I had to get these. These were just so pretty. I love that there are different styles of sunflowers because there are a lot of varieties of them, which I didn't realize. I was also running low on rose gold date dots, and she had these great falling leaf dates. They're really small, the details, but they're so pretty. And so I just got these in rose gold because I have a lot of rose gold foiled kits for fall for some reason. To go with the sunflowers, I got this really pretty sunflower washi that I can just stick at the top. And it's just a variety of sunflowers blooming. So I thought those were really pretty. And then I decided to go with, this is kind of a new avenue that she did. They are Blowing Leaf Day washi. So this is, instead of using individual day stickers, you put the whole thing up at the top, and it fits over everything perfectly, but it has the dates. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and each strip comes with 2 full weeks worth. So I got the classic 3. I got them in gold, silver, and rose gold because I figured I could use them throughout the fall, and I can keep a set for next year. These are just really pretty. I love this style. She had another one last week. I'm so mad. I thought I'd ordered them and I didn't. She did like a Halloween thing with bats, and there was a bats one like this, and I'm really mad I didn't get it, but that's okay. I have enough stickers. And then the last thing from this Foiled Tuesday, these are leaf pile washi. So let's see if I can get up close. Yeah, so these I thought were just really pretty. I like them for Thanksgiving. I like them for fall in general. we do have a lot of foliage that happens in North Carolina, so I just thought these would be pretty on to dress up any kit. So I got them in gold and rose gold because I thought they were so pretty. And again, it's really like almost 3 weeks worth of washi for each kit. So that is my haul for Sadie's stickers, and I'm really excited to utilize these. And then last but not least is my order from Caress Press. She had a sale recently where everything was heavily discounted, and so I decided to go for a few things. Lots of foil. So the first thing I got was this maple foil bundle in a color that I think she calls sparkly pumpkin or sparkly orange. And the kit is called Maple, but it comes with, and I'll take this apart, I haven't actually seen all the sheets yet. So it was marked down quite a bit. So, okay, so it comes with, these go with any kit really, with a double box scene like this, and then you got a double box tall scene, some extra full boxes here, and then these are washi strips, or these are like little header washi strips, and then it comes with, and this is so cool, a whole set of dates, like a month's worth of dates. I don't use the kind of planner that has these, but those are really pretty. Here's some different leaf headers, and then here's the washi overlay. It's bows. I'm not crazy about bows, is the only thing. But then look what else you get. You get all of the script, so work, very functional stuff. I really love that. And then these little tiny icons, all in this pretty purple, not purple, sparkly pumpkin. And then, oh, I did get the full one. Okay, so this is something I've never really used before. These are called bougie boxes. And here's why. You stick them underneath, you lay them on top of your stickers, and then you put different stickers on top of them. And the reason they're so bougie is because it's the most extra thing in the world, because the majority of this gets covered up by other stickers. And I'm not sure why I went for those, but I did. So that was Maple. And I'm going to use this kit this summer. Oh, I hate putting these things back. There we go. Okay, that wasn't so bad. So that's Maple. And then I got, so there are 3, it was a bundle. It was like, you get 5 of these types of bundles for $15, and normally each bundle costs like $13 each, and these were all $15 for 5. So I was like, let me see. But the thing is, you don't get to pick what you get, so it was kind of a surprise thing. So the first thing I got here, let's see, I believe this one was first. This one is called Rainbow Luxe, and it kind of has like a Louis Vuitton thing on it. And I'm not going to open each one up individually, but they all have that similar setup to this. So they come with like, all right, I'll open one of them up because I am curious now. I don't think these come with the bougie boxes. I think these are the mini kits. So it comes with gold. This one is sparkly gold. So you can see if you get really close, it's like, it's not just gold, it kind of has a shimmer to it. So sparkly gold, Rainbow Luxe. It's like, actually it's more like a sparkly gold hollow. Anyway, so here's the washi headers. Here's the washi. This one also comes with date dots. It also comes with scripts and lots of cute little icons, and then these, and that's it. So it's just those 3 pages. And so this one is a lot bigger. It has a lot more oomph to it than the other kits. I can never get these things back in, which is why I'm not going to take the other ones out, because getting them back in is kind of a huge pain. This is why I'm not a shop owner, because I would hate this. Okay. Struggle, struggle, struggle. In there. Okay. There we go. So that one was Rainbow Luxe. The next one is really pretty. It's called Celestial, and it's just in a regular gold. It's really, really pretty. This one is called Palms, and it's in silver, which is really cool because that's exactly I love silver palm fronds. It's really good for summer. This is one I would never have purchased for myself. This one's called Cheetah, but I'm actually going to use this with an upcoming kit that it won't be for this week, but it'll be for next week. So I'm excited to use this because I would never in a million years have used this one. And then last but not least, this one was kind of a surprise, but a welcome one. This is Pumpkin Spice, and it's kind of hard to see, but it's in a silver hollow. Or it's a sparkly hollow, I guess. So not a foil that I would associate with fall, but but you can see like there's little pumpkin and plaid overlays there. So I'm definitely going to use this with an upcoming fall kit. So I got 6 foil bundles for like 20 bucks, which is a really good deal. And then last but not least, I did order a kit from Caress Press because I was really excited. And it came with this freebie in that it's the same foil as this. So it's like leggings, leaves, lattes, please, thick thighs, fall vibes, pumpkin patch cutie, and Spice Girl. So I might just move this foiled one into here because it goes with. Let's go ahead and take a look. So this kit just came out. And I'm really excited for this. This is the Essentials kit. So this is the smallest kit size that she offers. This came with the extra boxes. This comes with every size kit, I believe. Very creepy. So we've got some deco and some functionals here. And then these are the headers. It says very cool, like Beauty and the Beast vibes. Definitely my style. I love this like grimoire bookshop that's all shuttered. So then we got her functionals and some flags. And then, some more flags and color blocks here. This is why I got it from this particular shop. I love that she used papers for the washi. This is so pretty, and I wouldn't want to cover that up, actually. So that's just the 4-page kit for Haunted Bookshop. I think this is the one I want to use for Halloween week. Okay, so overall, so that was it. So that is everything. And sorry, this was a longer video than I realized. But, so we've got my Caress Press foiled fun stuff here. Just fan it all out. With the kit, I have these beautiful foiled washies and my Caress Press, or not Caress Press, that's Caress Press, that's Sadie stickers, and that's Crafty banana in all its glory. So lots of stickers here. I'm so excited to work with these. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will be sharing a lot more planning videos very, very soon. So stay tuned. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye.